Nag-post na ng larawan si Barbie Imperial kasama ang nobyo na si Diego Loizaga. Ayon pa kay Barbie na ang larawan na kanyang ipinost ay paborito niyang picture nila ni Diego. Still my favorite photo of us. Totally unexpected to fall for someone I thought I'd be just friends with forever. But I'm really happy to have found both love and friendship with this one. Thank you for making me happy and feel loved. Thank you for everything that you do to make me feel the love I deserve. So thankful for you. Thank God for you. Hashtag ang cheesy ni Barbie. Pagbigyan ngayon lang ulit naging ganito. Saad ni Barbie sa kanyang post sa Instagram.
Share for 5.